Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have 4 answers. A is 0, B is 2, C is 6 and D is 70. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's recall that. What are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number or exponent of any number. So if your expression contains any number which has the square root or power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. So you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. So according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all we have to solve the bracket. So first we have to solve this bracket. Inside the bracket we have two operations which is multiplication and division. So we have to solve first operation. So let's see which operation we have to solve. So what we have to do, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. First, we have this multiplication. So we will write like 38 minus 4 multiplied by 9, which is equals to 36 divided by 6. We will write as it is. Now divided by 3, again we have to write minus 6 raised to power 2. We will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 36. Now move forward, we have to solve again this bracket. So we will write like 38 minus 36 divided by 6, sorry, divided by 3 minus and 6 raised to power 2. We will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 36 divided by 6 equals to 6. Now move forward, we have to solve now the exponent part according to the PAMDAS and BODMAS rule. So what we have to do, we have to solve this expression which is like 38 minus 6 divided by 3 and minus 6 raised to power 2 means 6 multiplied by 6 which is equal to 36. So here we will write 36 and here we have to give the reference like 6 raised to power 2 equals to 36. Now move forward, we have to solve, we have solved the exponent part as well. So now we have to go for solving division and multiplication, or you can say multiplication and division. So what we have to do, we have to go 38 minus 6 divided by 3 equals to 2 minus 36. And here we have to give the reference like 6 divided by 3 equals to. Now move forward, we have solved this number. Now we have to solve we have to go left to right to solve the addition and subtraction. So we will go and see first what is coming. So here we have 38 minus 2 which is equal to 36 and minus 36 again we will write And here we have to give the reference like 38 minus 2 equals to 36. Now we have solved, we have here two terms which are similar but opposite in sign, like plus 36 minus 36. So when we will minus both of them and get the answer is 0. So the answer of the given expression is 0. If you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.